Pokemon Journey Keller 27597. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. Somebody winning the promo. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck to all. Why did I do that? All right, good luck, everybody. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Promo goes away at the Dragon type. 5 times. Dragon on top. PKMJT. Of course, is it this week that the new one releases? I think. There's the box shopper promo that goes to the Dragon type. Kind of fitting. Good luck, everybody. Mariko Ikorio Tyranitar. Pet Little Lombre Double. Then big boys. Squawkabilly Cinccino Tyranitar. Wingull Salamence EX. Very nice card right there. I've not seen that one before. Dragon up to a flyer, Magiana. Delmise Komala Wailord. Lily's Pearl Silicobra Ludicolo. Iris Firing Spirit Clodsire EX. Sorry, I may have missed a holo there in my excitement to get to that Clodsire EX. I did, it was Shuppet. No, I think there's maybe like 2 or 3 left, but it's, yeah, the last ones. Pretty much. Wowma, Impidimp, Lily's Rabumbi. Minccino, Cutiefly, Mimikyu EX. Paris, Remoraid, Magmortar. Floragato, Bombadillo, Wailord. Bombadillo, Crocodilo. Center, Cramorant, Magmortar. Yoda's Voltorb, Kilowattrel. Regirock. Ready eyes, ready eyes. Axelgor, Lavessa, Masquerada. Pelipper, Tyranitar, Masquerada. Magmar, Morgrem, Dunsparce EX. Beldum, Wattrel, Metagross. Oh, Hopsbag, Lily's Rabumbi, and Reshiram. Purloin Drampa Mamoswine EX. Nimble Rockruff Reshiram. It was going to be, but it should update. Bargon Spirigatito Kilowattrel. It'll be changing. I think it should have already changed, if I'm not mistaken. Tropius ends Castle Rabombi. Hoggy will be probably next week when we have all the new product in. Dance Basketball again. Zoroark EX and Zoroark. Cloth Larvitar Butterfree. Volcarona Scavalier Metagross. Durant Squavit Lycanroc. Rookie D Black Belt Training Amoonguss EX. Torchic Shelmet Volcanion EX. Yeah, I didn't want to do a half-ass show trying to scramble, so I wanted to just make sure that we actually had all the cool products in. So it actually gets a bit of love and people can get involved. Pangoro Coughing Dunsparce EX in the full art style. Pupitar Seneconda Snorlax. Zorua Maractus. Look at him, so cute. Lycanroc. Ends PP up. Pause. Corvisquire. Our Creamy X. Metapod Kecleon Double. First couple of cases, we didn't get it all, unfortunately. So anything that's full will go, and anything that is closed. Butterfree. So I've already updated the dates on some of them. You should be able to search for May 26 Revo and see them. Darumaka, Clink, and Magira. And that is that for Pokemon. Journey Together 27597